Hi guys, it's me Owen, and today we're going to be showing you how to make an airplane from a book.
Take 3.
Yeah, he's right. I kept pushing the button on the side. Okay.
And people's were being too loud.
Yeah, and also, oh yeah, tell them what you're going to say about the comments.
Will be posted on my forehead.
If you comment.
Yes.
Now, we're going to be folding diagonally.
Like
boom. Oh, and it's called the ninja plane. Ninja. You're not a ninja.
Yeah, I know. I want to be a ninja.
And be a ninja. Okay. Okay, unfold that and do it on the other side. And we're doing a water bomb base right now.
I'm so glad. Oh, I did?
Yeah.
I did that.
You messed it up very badly.
What do I do?
Now, you are going
Not that bad.
You are going to unfold that, flip it over, and you're going to see that you have that X on the back. You're going to fold down perfectly right in the middle of the X. I just feel like I heard a kid outside, like, hello.
Hello, Moto.
You just want to line, yep.
Wow, I can fold paper now.
Okay, now unfold that, flip it back over.
How many times do I have to unfold this?
And then poke right in the middle.
Oh, it's a boat now.
And you're going to see you have these two edges that are popped. You're going to take the two edges and then push them down into the plane. And then push them down.
Whoa! I did it so fast.
And there you go. You have a water base fold. And if you're new to the channel, remember to click that subscribe button and
Ring the bell.
yeah,
Ding ding.
and like the video.
And comment.
Yeah, and comment.
And watch it.
Oh yeah, and the comments will be posted on his forehead on the next video, hopefully.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, now we are going to flip this one corner over, and we're gonna fold it. We're gonna fold the edge just like up to the point, just like this, up to the point, but also at the bottom it's gonna be perfectly making a point at the edge. Yeah, I don't know. Wait, I know you don't know what's going on.
So I folded it, and then
Yeah.
he folded it again. Ow! And possibly we may be playing Fortnite. If you can record that, we might.
Oh yeah, well maybe we could.
Probably get more viewers if you played Fortnite.
Oh yeah, we can get a gamer channel.
There you go.
And then maybe I can make a channel for Ty. So,
Hi, we're gonna be playing Fortnite all day long.
24 hours.
24/7.
All day, every day.
Even at night, 5 o'clock in the morning.
5 o'clock.
Yes.
Okay, now
5
do the
o'clock.
same on the other side. Obviously.
I already did it.
Oh. Yep, you already did it for him.
Yeah.
Okay, now you're gonna see that we have this. You want to fold this down right there.
Like
Just to right there.
this.
Yes. Now
This is how.
fold it on the center crease so that this little tip is on the bottom.
Christmas tree.
Christmas tree.
It disappeared.
Welcome to Christmas world. There is no such thing as Christmas here.
There's Christmas.
They hit my safety
Aw.
kit. Okay, there you go. Now that you're done with that, just fold the wings so this edge right here, the very bottom edge, hits right there. Just kidding. So this edge right here hits like right there. Also, the back edge lands on.
And ta-da. What did you just do? I was paying no attention.
Yeah, of course you are.
I was doing a magic trick.
How to put the paper
See?
in?
Watch this. You see it? Now you don't. I need to go get that.
You saw it in the background.
Now you see it?
Okay,
Now you
now
don't.
you finish your plane.
Oh!
I hope you guys liked it, and we'll see you all next time.
Probably playing Fortnite.
Yep.
Bye-bye.
That's good. That's gonna be our next video. Remember to subscribe, smash that like button, and we'll see you on the next video.
Ring the
Bye.
bell.
Yeah.